10 people arrested for attending funeral in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Trelawny police have arrested and charged 10 persons who attended a funeral for a popular motorcyclist who were found to be allegedly in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act on Monday. Reports are that at about 4 p.m., the police were in the community of Stettin when they ordered a large group of persons who had gathered a short distance from the church where the funeral service took place to disperse. Some members of the crowd reportedly became hostile and started hurling missiles at the law enforcement team after an attempt was made to arrest a member of the gathering public for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. Members of the law enforcement team had to fire warning shots in the air after they came under attack from the residents.
One more coming up.
When the situation was brought under control, a number of 10 persons were subsequently arrested. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.